Pittsburgh Seminary has had a long history of equipping and preparing people for engaging this world and the changing face of ministry. We've got the template to do more of that, to help students come and learn what the next iteration of the church might be.
You do need to know things to minister well. You need to know about theology and Bible and ethics and how to make sense out of human situations. But it is in the intersection of that good knowing and those actual human situations that ministry happens.
Formation is incorporated into the PTS curriculum in a couple of different ways. First of all, we have our field education sequence that students engage in that gives them an opportunity to actually do some of the work in a ministry setting that they're learning about in the classroom.
The intercultural trips that Pittsburgh Theological Seminary organize are game changers for theological education. They get us out of our heads, out of the classroom, and into the world. And that's where ministry and mission happen.
Pittsburgh Theological Seminary, we are committed to increasing access to our programs. But at the same time, we want to do that in such a way that we're deepening formation for the whole institution.
We as a seminary are located in the urban part of the city, not too far from downtown, but we're also close to the suburbs and only about a 30-minute drive from fairly rural areas.
Theological diversity in the classroom is a really important aspect of what makes our seminary's educational program work. What I've seen in the classroom is when people are learning and studying alongside others who come from very different Christian traditions, they not only learn something about those other traditions and their world is expanded in that way, but also they come to have a new appreciation for why they believe what they do.
There is an opportunity for members of the community to engage in worship. But here, we're exposed to different areas of ministry where we can potentially focus in the future. It is also a chance to reflect and to refresh oneself during a very hectic time.
They're always eager to get us involved in something that really speaks to us. It's not just getting involved for involvement's sake or diversity for diversity's sake. They really want us to take our sense of call, our talents, things that give us life, and put that back into the community so that we can grow ourselves while we nourish each other.
So one thing I think that really sets Pittsburgh Theological Seminary apart in the landscape of theological education is that investment in students. The financial resources that are really a gift for all of our students. We make theological education accessible and approachable for everyone.
Our long history has allowed for us to be flexible, adaptable, and ready to see what God is calling us to do. And so we have an exciting future ahead. Won't you join us?